Ready to reclaim your disk space and start fresh in the world of Valorant? Let's get this done the right way. First, we need to directly access the heart of your Windows system. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Settings. Click on the Settings app that appears in the search results. Once in Settings, navigate to the Apps section, usually found on the left-hand side of the window. From there, click on Installed Apps. Now, use the search bar at the top of the Installed Apps window to type Valorant. When Valorant appears, click on the three dots next to it, and then select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Uninstall again to proceed with the game's removal. However, uninstalling Valorant isn't enough to completely remove it. We also need to tackle Riot Vanguard, the anti-cheat software in the same installed apps list. Search for Riot Vanguard. You might need to scroll down to find it. Once you've located Riot Vanguard, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal when prompted. Now for the crucial final step, removing any leftover files. Open your File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and simultaneously navigate to your C drive, typically labeled Local Disk C. Inside your C drive, open the Program Files folder. Look for a folder named Riot Games. If you find it, right-click on it and select Delete. You'll also need to check a hidden folder in File Explorer. Go to the View tab and select Show then Hidden Items. Now, navigate back to your C drive and open the ProgramData folder. Search for and delete any Riot Games related folders you find here as well. And that's it. Valorant and all its accompanying software are now completely uninstalled from your Windows 11 PC, leaving your system clean and optimized.